Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we are going to look at the select into syntax, and using that select into, we can create clone of table. So clone of table via select into, that's what we are going to see here in this video. So this time we use department table. We select content from department table. Then here, if you see, the syntax is just like a select statement. Select department ID, name, led by. So these are all the three columns from test.department. So that's the normal select statement, right? Here, if you see, in between we are introducing into test.dept-del. So this dept-del is what called the cloned table. So cloned table, in the sense there are two operations that's performed here. One is create table, and another one is copy data. So that means in this syntax, we create a new table, then we copy the data, and what data needs to be copied, that is specified here, that is specified by this select statement. Select department ID, name, led by from test.department, 3 columns, and if there are 10 rows, all will get copied to this newly created table. So that's all here. Now we can check the content of this department del after creating the clone. Finally, we delete the content of this department del. Now we will go to the demo. Here, if you see, first let's check what are all the data exist in the department table. So that's the department table, right? So there are 3 departments that exist in the department table. Now let's place a comment here and execute this. So same 3 columns. Now into test.department del. Now if I execute, all 3 rows get inserted into this dept del, and when I refresh it, you can see the new table dept-del. Now we will select data from dept-del, and if you see, both the table has same records. Right? So that's why we call dept-del as a clone of department. So there are 2 operations that was performed. One is creating the table, then copying the content of source to the destination dept-del. Now we will delete the content of department del. So it doesn't have any record, and department contains 3 rows. All right. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.